Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today in this video we're taking a look at this wireless mouse from Zinq, and this is the Zinq ZQWM 818W. Now this is one of the cheapest wireless mouse that you can buy in the market. I got this from Amazon.in and I paid about 200 rupees, that is less than $3, about $3. So this is the how the mouse came in this cardboard box packaging, and on the top you can see the model number is written here. The rated DPI of this mouse is about 1600 dots per inch, but I'm not sure whether that is true or not. And at the back there are some specifications written here, or some information about the mouse is written here, which are in very small. So let me see if I can focus that and if I'm able to show that to you or not. So you can see that this is made in China on January 21st. Model number, color black, and one unit. With this mouse you get a mouse and a receiver. The rated price on the box is 599, and some other information about who imported this and how you can contact the customer care. And the service center of this product is in Delhi. So without any further delay, let's just take a look at how the cheapest wireless mouse looks and whether this is worth spending your money or not. So let's just open this. So this is the mouse. Let's keep it aside for now. Okay, this is surprising because I was not expecting any batteries in the mouse, but apparently they are giving you 2 batteries with this as well, which is really nice. And right off the bat, because they are giving you batteries, I think this is probably going to be a decent mouse for the price, because you're also getting the batteries. That is really nice. So you're getting 2 AAA size batteries. These are alkaline batteries. Let's keep them aside for now. And in the box you're getting a happy, not so happy card, feedback card, and you're getting a very small manual. So as you can see, it runs all 2.4 gigahertz radio frequencies. The DPI is also written there. Auto switch off and auto wake up, so it will turn itself off when you're not using it for some time. And some specifications are written here. You can see this is 1600 DPI, 3200 refresh rate, and auto sleep, auto wake that I just mentioned. Works on USB interface. Total keys are 3: your left button, right button, and the middle button. And some other information is given here. This is how the installation is happening, and it takes about 3 volt, 8.6 milliamperes. So let's just keep all these things aside and just focus on the mouse itself. So this is how the mouse looks. So the first impression of the mouse when I'm holding this in my hand is decent, not bad for 200 rupees. The plastic, it's a little light mouse, but once you add the batteries, the weight of the mouse will increase a little bit. It feels really nice in the hand, doesn't feel cheap. The plastic is also decent in my opinion for 200 rupees. Symmetrical mouse, so you can use this. A right-handed person can also use this, and a left-handed person can also use this. You can flip the left hand mouse button in your mouse setting in the control panel, and this is how the mouse sound. This is the left button, this is the right button, and this is the middle button. Okay, the middle button is a little weird when I'm pressing it, but not that bad. And this is how the scrolling wheels sound like. So they're very quiet, and this is how it looks. So there is no receiver. Looks like the receiver is going to be in this compartment. So let me just open this. So this is how you open it, and yes, you can see the receiver there. So this is this receiver looks like there is a compartment for the receiver storage. That means you don't have to carry the receiver separately. When you're traveling, you can simply put the receiver there, and that way you will not forget this when you're traveling. So this is how the mouse looks. So let me just install some batteries and see how the mouse works in a computer. So let's install the batteries. So let's just take the batteries out first. That's fun. The good thing is that the batteries came with the mouse. I wasn't expecting the battery would come with the mouse at all. So that's really nice. Let's keep all these things aside for now. Open the lid from the There we go. Now one thing I don't like about this mouse is that it takes two batteries. A lot of mouse in the market today takes only single batteries, so that is something I don't like about this mouse. Anyways, let us see what happens when we put the batteries in. Sorry, the receiver came out, which we will need in a bit. So that's one battery in, second battery in, and at the moment you can probably see the red LED glowing. You can see now red LED is glowing. That means our mouse is powered on. Let's put this back. Okay, one thing I'm noticing is that the battery compartment lid is a little difficult to put back in. So the battery's compartment is now completely closed. Let us plug this receiver in our computer in my Windows 7 computer. Let's see how it works. Okay, so let us plug the USB dongle in. It's plugged in. So this is my Windows 7 computer. Let's right click restart. So the right click is definitely working. Let's open a couple of web pages, and this is the website that we are going to use the latency of the mouse. So I've got the mouse here. As you can see, currently I am using this. Let's click on the site, and now let's see whether the mouse responds and how long it takes for the graphics to respond. So I'm pressing the left button. You can check the latency or delay of the button. Now let me press the right button. This was the right button. Let's press the middle button. The middle button on this mouse is a little hard to press, so that is something I want to mention here. And let's test the scroll as well. Scrolling down, scrolling up. So all the mouse are working, and the latency or the delay is very low. I can't even recognize whether there is any delay. I think it's almost instant. So here is another website for testing the mouse clicks, and on this website I will test whether I'm having any misclicks or no clicks at all. So as you can see, the top one measures the left mouse button, the middle one measures the middle button, and the bottom measures the right button. So I will click the left button 10 times, and the middle button 10 times, and the right button 10 times, and we will measure whether all these numbers match up. So let's start with the left button. So let's start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's do with the middle button 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then the right mouse button 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So as you can see, there were no misclicks, so the mouse is working without any problem. So that was the test of the Zinq wireless mouse on my Windows 7 PC. Now let us do the test of the mouse on Android device, and see whether this will work on Android device or not. So to use this on my USB-C device, I will need a USB-C to OTG converter. So let's plug this OTG dongle in, and now let me just plug my USB dongle of the Zinq mouse and see whether this works or not. So let me just do that. Now it is connected, and let me see if we can see the mouse pointer, and you can see the mouse pointer here. Let's open something. Let's go to my YouTube page. So this is my YouTube channel, and as you can see, I can also scroll down and scroll up without any problem. I can also play a video using the left button. So the video is now playing. I can also pause the video. I have paused the video. I can continue to play the video. So I can do pretty much anything I want with the mouse. If I right click at the moment, the video will go into minimization mode. As you can see, it went into minimization mode. So this is how you can use this with your Android phone as well. Now let's talk about the on off feature of the mouse. Now if you leave the mouse and without touching the mouse for a couple of minutes, for about 10 minutes, the mouse will automatically turn itself off. The light will turn itself off, and you don't have to remember to turn the mouse off, and that saves a lot of battery. Also, if you remove the dongle and leave the mouse for 10 minutes, the mouse will again turn itself off, so that saves the battery, and that's how the auto on off feature works. To turn the mouse on again, all you will have to do is just press any of the buttons, left, right, or the middle button. The mouse will automatically turn itself on. However, I would have still preferred on off button on the mouse, because 10 minutes is a lot of time. Let's say you wanted to use the mouse for just 2-3 minutes, you could have easily used the on off button to turn off the mouse. However, with this setup at the moment, you have to use the mouse, and then you will have to wait another 10 minutes for the mouse to turn off. The other way of turning the mouse on is basically just remove the battery, and obviously it will turn itself off. So that's how the on off feature works on the Zinq wireless mouse. Okay, so now let's talk about the range of the mouse. So the range of the mouse is very good. In fact, I plugged this USB dongle in my mobile phone, and I went across 3 different rooms, and there were 2 walls between the mouse and the dongle, and the mouse was again still able to work without any problem. So the range is very good. You can pretty much move in a radius of more than 5-6 meter, and the mouse will still be able to catch without any problem. So if you've got a big room and you want to use this for controlling your smart TV, you can definitely use this for a bigger room as well. So there we go. This was my video on the Zinq ZQWM 818W wireless mouse. I think this is the cheapest wireless mouse that you can buy in the market, and the best part is for 200 rupees they're also giving you 2 AAA size alkaline battery. So initially the mouse is working without any problem. I haven't had any problem so far. For the last 3 days I've been using the mouse, but I can't say about the future. Although the mouse feels good quality at the moment, the button feels nice, except for the middle button. The middle button is quite a little mushy, but the scrolling is very smooth. Overall, I think this is a good buy for under 200 rupees. So there we go. This was my video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.